Hey, what's up guys? So as you can see, got me some new set of wheels, sold the old one. This is the wheels I always wanted to get. So manual stickers. Damn. Yeah, so these are 57 DRs, 18 by 9.5 with a 22 offset. Yep, I'm about to go install the tires right now today and put these bad boys on. So I'm gonna load these up on the car.
The shadow of death. I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You
Alright guys, got the wheels loaded up. Get ready to take it to the tire shop and get it mounted and installed on the car. What's up guys? So this is like 4 hours later. Came back from the tire shop and these are the new wheels, 57 DRs, 18 by 9.5. And yeah, this was my second option. I really wanted to get TE37s, but you know they're pretty expensive. And I got this. Really wanted white, but gold was my second option. Gold was my second option too, to get the color. I didn't really want black or like gun blue, whatever color they had, which is, I don't know why they have those two basic generic colors. But yeah, these are the new wheels. I know I just got new wheels too, but I sold the wheels I bought from my friend and made profit and got this wheel. The wheels I bought from my friend, I didn't really like it, but I bought it because he got it for a good deal. I mean, he was selling for a good deal, pretty much. But yeah, these are the new wheels. Sitting nice and pretty. Equipment. Nice. Yeah, so I basically got new tires when I got the wheels. So basically all new Nexon tires. Got the alignment too. It's been like 2 years since I got my alignment. And this is pretty much the update for the car right now, or what I got new. Still need to install my LS400 brake kits, but I need to paint it.